calling you to wake, shouting in my car as stalled outside. It's pure coincidence, I'm sure, falling from my mouth. Secondary doubts, I found myself here. Can't seem to look you in the eye, and I hope you can see I'm more than this heap at your feet. Who are you to judge me? Who are you to preach? Control has slipped away from me again. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than air that rushes past your face as you drive away from me again. How heavy are these hands? They're heavier than blood that rushes to my head as you walk away from me again. Forcing you to speak, snapping out my voice seems smaller now. It's only whispering my lines, paper cuts and time. I insist you keep these letters here and read them over if you can. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than air that rushes to my face as you turn away from me again. How heavy are these words? Heavier than time that rushes past your face as you turn to walk away again.
Elephant in the Room. That was act number 101.